This is Bishwajit Bhunia. Today we will talk about basics of stock market. So basically, what is stock market? That's the question which everybody asks. People will give you answer, but let me simplify it. Okay. So stock market is a market where stocks are listed. And what do you mean by stocks? Stocks are the share of each company. Like, let me take an example. Let me explain you with an example. For example, you go to some sabji mandi, okay? There you will ask the vendor, give me 1 kg carrot, okay? Or you will ask like how much each carrot cost, okay? So he will say maybe 10 rupees or maybe 5 rupees. So accordingly, according to yours appetite or according to your need, you will just buy that. And maybe you say you buy it around 12 or to 13 pieces of carrot, you will get 130 rupees. So that's how the stock market works. Stock market means it's a market where all stocks are listed. The stocks will be of various company like Tata Motors and maybe all those companies we have TCS, we have Infosys, we have all those stocks. So company will be listed. Those from that listed company, they will sell their stocks. The stocks will be there. They will sell their stocks, and you have to buy that stocks. And that stocks you can buy according to your need. Suppose you want two stock of TCS, so you will have to give payment accordingly. Like if one stock is rupee, for example, one stock is rupees X, then you have to pay 2x if you want two stock. So that's how the basic thing is. So coming to the stock market, or what we say as sabji mandi. So in case of stock market, the sabji mandi is Sensex, not Sensex, I mean BSE and NSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. What are these? They are the stock exchange. They are the sabji mandis from which you can buy and sell the stock. So there, there only you will find all the company listed. Now, okay, I said buy the stock and sell the stock. Through which you can, through whom you are supposed to buy a stock or sell the stock. Like if you go to Sabji Mandi, there is some person from whom you will buy the stock. Maybe that person is the owner of that shop. So here, that owner or that the person who will sell you the stock will be the all the stock operator. Okay. Now, what do you mean by stock operator? Stock operator will go and they will buy the stock and they will keep it and they will sell the stock. Okay, to a normal retail investor like you or like me. So you go to the operator. Like we have many operator nowadays online. That is Zerodha, Upstocks, Grow. Like I'm a part of Grow. So you will go to them, you will ask them that you want this and this stock for rupees this much, not for rupees this much. There you can't bargain, it's like according to what they have said. So you will ask like I want this much share, and you have to pay accordingly and you will get this share. That's all about the stock market. Now coming to the basic, actually what is there in stock market is like, suppose there is one company call as maybe some X private limited or Y private limited. Okay, maybe that company became huge or they became big. So what they will do, they will eventually list the company. Okay, maybe they have become from private to public limited or something like that. So they will eventually, what they will do, they will list that company in a stock exchange. Like what I said, right? It's the stock exchange office, like in Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, the Sabji Mandi. They will go and buy one thela in Sabji Mandi and they will sit there and they will sell their stocks. Like that only, this company will go and they will sell their stocks in Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. They will go and they will register there. Okay, And what happens, there is a process called IPO and all those things. We will talk about that later. Actually, there is like initially there is initial public, there is IPO. Okay, so we have to invest through IPO and all those stuffs are there. So no need to think about that now. We'll talk about it later. Okay, so yeah, that's what all about stock market. What you need to know. So that's all.